The courtroom turns tense as Advocate Nxumalo exposes shocking inconsistencies in Constable Zungu's statement, a statement that Muzi Sibiya says was completely fabricated. And just when the truth starts to surface, Judge Rotha steps in, not to seek clarity but to gaslight and argue with the accused. What really happened on the day Sinako Sibiya was shot? Tonight we break down the lies, the timelines, and the courtroom chaos.
You also told this court that you knew the state witness, the star state witness, Constable Sizwe Sikhumbuzo Zungu.
Bathi yena kushilo ukuthi kade umazi ke wazi ufakazi wabashushisi nomfakazi ke wombuso okusizwe Zungu.
Yebo uSizwe ngiqala ukumbona 2017 kodwa ukumazi ukuthi ubani wakwabani ngiqala ukumazi 2019 eThembisa.
Yes, I first met Sizwe in 2017. However, I did not know anything about him up until during the time in Tembisa during the year 2019. That is when I started knowing as to who is he. Who he was.
26 October 2014 bengamazi mina uSizwe.
Then I never knew him on the 26th of October in the year 2014.
Do you know Sinako?
Ngabe uSinako uyamazi yini?
uSinako ngiyamazi wakithi.
Yes, I know Sinako. He's from my side.
What is his surname?
Ngabe ubani isibongo sakhe?
WakwaSibiya.
He's from the Sibiya.
Sorry, just for my inclusiveness. Is that the fellow who Zungu says he was allegedly murdered or killed or shot, whatever?
Yes. The state witness, Constable Zungu, in his affidavit, Exhibit AA of the record, which was made some 9 years later, on the 31st of May 2023 at 1300 hours.
13, the date?
The date is the 31st of May 2023 at 1300 hours.
Bathi khona ke ufakazi ke uzumbuso owabhala statement sakhe athi Constable Zungu sibhala ngaphansi kwesifungo ke bese basifaka ngaphansi kwimibukiso ka AA nomhlanje Exhibit A. Bathi statement sakhe wasenza ngemuva kweminyaka yakhe nomhlanje isikhathi saka 9 years ngemuva kwesigameko. Bathi statement sakhe wasenza wasibhala ngelanga la nge31 azaka May ngomnyaka 2023 ngehora la ka 1 emini.
Yeah.
Yes.
He states the following at paragraph 5.
Bathi khona ke inkulumo ayikhulumile ngaphansi kuka paragraph 5.
Yeah.
Line number 9 to 11.
Oqala kwake kumuqa wesi9 kuze kugcine kumuqa wesi11
of Exhibit AA.
lapho ngaphakathi kwestatement sakhe awasibhala ngaphansi kwesifungo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just to lay the background, I'm not going to go back, but he states this after we have all entered the room of Kwaben.
Athi ke
You understand?
athi ukhuluma kuzokhuluma ngenkulumo uZungu ayikhulumile ukuthi ngemuva ukuthi nonkana beningaphakathi kwegumbi lokulala la kaGwabeni.
Yeah.
Yes.
I quote,
Uzocaphuna kwenkulumo eyakhulunywa ke uZungu.
I then took the 38 special firearm from Kwaben's hand
Athi wathatha ke isibhamu ke kuyi38 fire .38 firearm esandleni sakaGwabeni.
Yeah.
and looked at it.
Bese ke isibhamu sakhona wasibheka.
Yeah.
I asked Kwaben if it was not the same firearm which was, sorry. I asked Kwaben if it was not the same firearm which he said he threw away in the river after shooting Sinako with it.
bese thina wabuza kuGwabeni ukuthi ngabe isibhamu lesi akusiyiso leso uGwabeni athi wasithatha wasilahla ke emfuleni ngemuva ukuthi uGwabeni ke wadubula ke uSinako ngaso.
Yeah.
Yes.
Close quotation.
Uqedile ukucaphuna kwenkulumo eyakhulunywa uConstable Zungu.
So
Yeah.
the question that relates to this statement by Constable Zongo is the following. In relation to the shooting incident, which involves Sinako, you said Sinako is Sibiya. Are you aware of any such incident?
Bathi bosushilo ukuthi wena ke uSinako wakwaSibiya. Manje ngabe unalo yini ulwazi ngokushona kwakhe ngesigameko sokushona kwakhe ukuthi yena ke wadutshula
No, no,
uSinako?
no.
Mana
I'm not
mana.
talking about his death.
Okay.
I'm not talking about the death of Sinako. I'm talking about the shooting. If he knows any incident involving the shooting of Sinako's Sibiya.
My apologies. Athi ngabe unalo yini ulwazi mayelana nokudutshula kwaSinako?
Yebo Sinako ngiyazi ukuthi kwadubuleka ngo2017
Yes, I know that Sinako was shot during the year 2017.
kwaku Good Friday.
It was during the Easter
Uqala
time
ukudubuleka ngo2017 ngeGood Friday.
when he was first shot. He was shot during the during the Easters, no Good Friday in the year 2017.
Wahamba esibhedlela kashonanga.
He was then taken to hospital and he did not die.
All right. Are you aware of any circumstances in relation to this shooting incident which occurred in 2017?
Bathi ngabe unalo yini ke ulwazi mayelana ke nesimo sokudutshulwa kade kwenzeka ngomnyaka ka2017?
Isimo sokuthiwa uhayekisiphi isimo masedubulekile.
How he was shot,
La ukuthi wadubuleka kanjani?
or you don't know?
Noma uyazi ukuthi ngabe umbuzo ukuthi ngabe uyazi ukuthi wadubuleka kanjani noma cha awazi?
Ukudubuleka ukuthi uhlamvu lwangena kuphi noma ukudubuleka ukuthi wayexabene kanjani.
Yes, the people who were involved in the
Abantu
shooting.
abangadade kade benesandla ekumdubuleni?
Cha angazi ukuthi wadubuleka kubani.
No, I don't know.
But you told this court that after that shooting incident, which occurred in 2017, he survived.
Uthize ngemuva ukuthi nake uSinako wadutshulwe ngomnyaka ka2017 akakaze ashone waphila.
Wadubuleka kaze ezeshona e2017 waphila.
Yes, he never died, he survived.
The reason why I ask you this question, the manner in which it is formulated here in Exhibit AA of the record, it is as if the shooting of Sinako had occurred sometime in 2014 or prior to the year 2014. So we are saying that that shooting incident occurred in 2017.
Athi-ke manje umail isizathu sokuthi akubuzeke lo mbuzo kuwukuthi uma icaphuna lapha kule nkulumo eshiwo uZungu noma eyabhalwa uZungu, uSinako kutshengakala ngokungathi umuntu owadutshulwa ngaphambi komnyaka ka2017. Kepha ngonkulumo yakho-ke uthize uSinako wadutshulwa ngomnyaka ka2017.
Yebo Sinako udubuleka ku2017 le nkulumo ekhulunywa lo muntu oyikhuluma la inkulumo engekho le. uSinako udubuleke 2017 uqala wakhe ukudubuleka wazophinda wadutshulwa la eGoli ngo2020 washona. Udubuleka ku2017 ekhaya wahamba esibhedlela waphila wayedubuleka ngohlamvu oluyi1.
Yes, Sinako was never shot before 2014. He was only shot during the year 2017 back at home, and they only fired one bullet, one shot, and he was then taken to the hospital and he survived. Whatever that is written there, it is not true. And then the second time he was then shot, he was shot here in Gauteng during the year 2020, and that is when he died.
Lo muntu okhuluma le nkulumo uSinako khuluma esazi Sinako ukuthi akasekho akesakwazi ukuthi ayikhulumele le nkulumo yakhe. Lokho Sinako udubuleke ku2017 kwaku Good Friday sehlile sisemakhaya.
And the person who had stated that information there, he has stated that information there knowing that Asnako is no more and he won't be questioned about his death. And then he was shot during the period of the Easters when we had visited at home.
So, from what I extract from your response is that after that shooting incident, he received medical treatment.
Athina ke into ecaphuna la kwena mhlawumbe noma into ayithola la kuwe kuwukuthi wathola ke usizo lokuqala.
wathola usizo.
Yes, he received medical treatment.
From which hospital, do you know?
Bathi ngaphansi kwesiphi isibhedlela ngabe nalo ulwazi yini?
Yebo.
Yes.
Where?
Kuphi ke?
Benedictine Hospital.
Benedictive Hospital.
Where is it?
Ngabe sikuphi nento sibhedlela sakhona?
Wayesibhedlela sakwaNongoma.
Under the Nongoma town or area.
Sorry, and then just for my full understanding, Zungu said that firearm was thrown into the water, into the river, which shot Zungu. And that was not disputed by any of the councils here.
Manje ithi inkantolo uZungu wathi ke isibhamu lesi esasisetshenzisiwe ekuthizeni sedubule uSinako basilahla emanzini noma emfuleni futhi ithi inkantolo abameli abakaze bakuphike.
And Zungu says Sinago was shot by Gwabeni.
Bathi futhi
That
uZungu
was also never contested or disputed by all councils here.
bathi futhi uZungu washo khona njalo ukuthi ke uSinako wadutshulwa uGwabeni bese inkantolo futhi yasho futhi ukuthi bonkana abameli abakaze bakuphike lokho namhlanje bakunquphise lokho. Bathi yakukhumbula yini ufakazi lobo
When Zungu was saying it.
ngesikhathi uZungu bekakhuluma?
Ubufakazi bazungu ngiyakukhumbula.
Okay.
And
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Yes, I do remember the evidence of Mr. Zungu. Besithi inkantolo kulungile.
bengade ngifisa inkantolo ukuthi ngiyichazele ukuthi ubufakazi bazungu bukanjani.
I would like to explain to the court as to
quoting
how
what I remember Zungu said, and I am saying he said that. The councils will dispute that if they want to. I'm not arguing with you. I'm just saying Zungu said that firearm slashed Manzini in Fulwe was never disputed. And then Zungu further said, you know what, I don't want to talk about that, the death of Snongo. He actually said that also.
Isibhamu esabula Sinako asazi sashoniswa phi mhlawumbe salahlwa khona emfuleni uyasazi yena kodwa uSinako udubuleke 2017 yena.
we don't know what
Am I
happened to the
correctly
firearm.
quoting Zungu, Mr. Baloi, Mr. Numal?
It is correct, but I've got reservation. I'll
Yeah, fine,
leave
fine.
matters
I'm
for
just saying-
argument, yes.
Am I
I've taken
correctly
note.
quoting you?
No, I've taken note of what the court
Fine,
is saying,
fine,
yes.
Right?
Was Constable Zungu's statement part of a bigger cover-up? Is Judge Rotha crossing the line between justice and intimidation? Did this testimony finally expose how the investigation was manipulated? Thanks for watching. If this was insightful, kindly subscribe, share the video, and drop your thoughts in the comments, because this case is far from over. Until next time, bye.